sun go down, others heal. In the end, it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye?
बहुत प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है. कोशिश करेंगे सर.
That's going to the boundary like a tracer bullet.
Not your cup of tea, Michael Atherton. Not your cup of tea.
He bowls a juicy half volley and Kohli hits it through the covers like a tracer bullet.
Wow. Now having got used to the DRS NAS, I give you the thumbs up. The decision on the field stays. Well done. Kohli drives through the covers. It's into the fence like a tracer bullet. That's how it's done.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some
Effort, Gavaskar. Not bad at all.
Adil Rashid, the bowler, Virat Kohli on strike. He's driven that through the covers. Beautiful shot. That's gone like a tracer bullet.
Not bad getting there, young man.
There he goes again, Atherton, another inside edge. And it's going like a very slow tracer bullet.
You keep surprising people, Beefy. You keep surprising people. Brilliant.
Goes a juicy half volley. Virat drives it through the covers region. Goes like a tracer bullet.
That's a magnificent shot by Virat Kohli, and it's run away to the boundary like a tracer bullet.
What, Macha? That is useless, da.
बहुत ही आगे बॉल और ये खतरनाक जबरदस्त शॉट ट्रेसर बुलेट की तरह मजा आ गया.
अरे कपिल देव का जवाब ही नहीं यार.